Welcome to Technotrend Zone. Imagine flying a drone without ever worrying about where your camera is pointing. What if you could just fly, feel the absolute thrill of the open sky, and perfectly frame your beautiful cinematic shot later from the comfort of your computer desk? That is no longer just a wild dream. Something strange and exciting started happening a few days ago in the tech world. A short teaser video appeared online. It quickly grabbed the undivided attention of the entire drone community. It showed a wide, sweeping perspective. It looked like it could capture absolutely everything around it all at once. That alone made people extremely curious. Everyone started guessing what this new drone could be. But there was another big question quietly building in the background. How much will it cost? Many people worried this might be one of the most expensive drones yet. Not long after that mysterious first teaser, another video dropped. The company finally revealed the official name. It is the DJI Avata 360. The mystery was gone, and the message became much clearer. Along with the new name, they shared a powerful new tagline. It says, "Above it all, see it all." According to recent reports, this drone is an 8K flagship 360-degree drone. It will support massive 8K resolution when recording full 360-degree footage. Lower resolution modes will also be available for smaller file sizes. That idea alone could completely change aerial filming. With a traditional drone, the pilot must constantly think about camera angles. But a 360-degree system records absolutely everything around the drone. You fly first and decide the exact shot afterward. This opens a completely new style of visual storytelling. Another interesting rumor suggests the camera can actually switch between full spherical recording and a traditional forward-facing mode. This means the drone works as both an immersive 360 camera and a normal FPV drone. Under the hood, it is expected to include the latest O4 video transmission system. It may even feature 4G backup connectivity and upgraded LiDAR obstacle sensing. Leaked listings suggest the base drone could start around $459. A Fly More combo sits at about $939. If accurate, the Avata 360 could become a highly affordable entry point into 360-degree aerial filmmaking. Now, let us shift our focus to a new handheld camera. A new front image leak of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro has just surfaced. It gives us one of the clearest looks yet at DJI's upcoming compact camera. The image confirms a brand new dual camera module on the front. The upper camera appears to be a telephoto lens. The lower module is a wide-angle lens. DJI is taking a unique approach with a vertically aligned lens system. The new leak shows the Pocket 4 Pro placed next to two smartphones that look like the iPhone 17 Pro. Even with the dual cameras, the Pocket 4 Pro appears very compact and pocket-friendly. The dual lens system is expected to provide 2x to 4x optical zoom. This solves a major limitation of older models that relied on digital zoom. Rumors suggest it features a 50-megapixel primary sensor. Video capabilities are impressive, supporting 6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 240 frames per second for smooth slow motion. It may also include a 3-axis gimbal with Active Track 7.0 AI for amazing subject tracking. Finally, we need to talk about the new DJI Neo 2. It brings impressive upgrades, but there are realities every buyer must understand. DJI claims up to 19 minutes of battery life. However, in actual outdoor use with wind and quick direction changes, flight time drops to around 11 to 12 minutes. Expecting the full 19 minutes will lead to disappointment. Most users will definitely need extra batteries. Also, each individual battery requires a separate firmware update before flying. Skipping this step can cause inconsistent flight performance. The base model relies purely on a Wi-Fi connection with your phone. Without the optional digital link module, your flying range is highly limited. That module costs extra money. Obstacle. Sensing is also primarily forward-facing, so you still need full situational awareness while flying sideways. The drone can sometimes struggle with harsh shadows or reflective glass. If you expected the Neo 2 to fully replace higher-end drones like the DJI Mavic, your expectation needs adjustment. It is simply not designed for heavy professional long-range missions. In my honest opinion, DJI is totally reshaping the creator landscape. The Avata 360 is going to be a massive game changer for solo creators. The ability to fly first and frame later is a total superpower. The Osmo Pocket 4 Pro finally fixes the biggest zoom flaw of its past models, making it the ultimate travel and vlogging tool. As for the Neo 2, it is a fantastic and fun entry-level drone, but you must buy extra batteries and manage your expectations regarding its range. All three offer incredible value if you use them for their intended purposes. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.